overdue like 10,000 miles. So we're gonna go ahead and change my oil, and I'll walk you through the steps on how to change your oil on a 350Z. What you want to do first is take out the splash guard, either this whole thing or the filter is like over here, so you can just take out a part from here and bend it down. After you've done that, your filter is right here and your drain plug is literally right here. After you cracked your bolt right here, you want to just twist it off. Let it drain. Make sure you get it right under it, not right under it, but like
on the edge, so that when it pulls down, and then when it gets less, it comes to the edge on this side.
Yep. Let that drain for like, I don't know, like 10 minutes. So while your oil's draining, it's a good idea to get your filter off and let the oil drain out of there as well. And make sure whatever you're draining it into is right under it. Just wipe everything off and make sure nothing is draining. And if nothing comes out, or if there's like a little bit of oil coming out, you're good to go. So once you're ready to put your oil filter back on, make sure to drip some oil in there and wipe like right there.
This just makes it so that it's much easier to take off later on. Back on. Again, hand tighten and it'll grip a little extra inside, but it's okay.
Once you're ready to put your drain plug back on,
swipe it down and make sure there's no dirt and stuff on the inner side. Sometimes these are magnetic, so you'll have some metal shavings and stuff that add up to the top. Just make sure you wipe that off and screw it on by hand first, and then tighten it according to specs.
So after you're loading your car, you're gonna put the oil in, and then that's your oil. So I use Castrol Edge. What is it? 5W30, and ready to go.
All of it, right?
Yeah, all of it. This car takes 5 quarts, so you can just put all of it in. I'm 10,000 miles.
I'm done. Go get some coffee. Why not? What's your rush?